5 cent, $3 wheel feature. Got the buzz saws.
Upgrade.
Mansion bonus. I'll take a mansion bonus.
Upgrade.
There's no bolt gus saw on here.
Upgrade.
Upgrade. Uh-oh. Let's get the mansion now.
Super mansion feature.
I'll take anything on this wheel now.
Grand.
Before I was like, just don't give us the mini, but anything on this wheel is good.
Yeah.
Hit that super grand. Buzz saws. It's alright. Lot of hats, a lot of mansions. We going Sizzler. Huh? Me either. That's just a line in a movie.
I know. Hats.
Yeah. That's what we're looking for. Wow. Well, don't quick spin it. See? Nice. Nicely done. Told you. He's licking his chops up there. He's like, there's a lot of houses. I'm gonna take out this development like I'm a tornado. You guys just said it with the accent. Hot. Show me the money. That's a lot. Nice line pay. That's 5. Could be 2 minor coins under there.
Could be another Will spin.
Who's Wilson?
Will spin. Use your words. Enunciate.
Will spin.
Here we go.
It's actually a will coin, but all those nickels. Coin under here. Alright, let's at least get 2 coins. A pink one and a green one.
No coin.
That's a negative. That's like a $200. Damn, we're almost there. We're actually almost there.
Spin button chat.
Thanks for watching.
Oh.